All right, last set of notes here. This is going to be an example problem, and also we're going to be talking about some of the examples, the types of polarization. Okay, so really quickly, oh, and you know what I forgot to mention last time is that this equation here, this is Malice's law that you need to know. All right, which tells us this guy right here. This is Malice's law. It tells you the decrease of intensity based on how a polarizer is angled there. All right? So the example question, our original intensity is equal to I naught is equal to 6 watts per meter squared. All right? We have it's incident on two polaroids oriented at 60 degrees to each other. Find the intensity of light transmitted through each of them. Okay, so first of all, the new intensity, I'll call it I1. All right, so this will be the intensity right here. Is I1, we'll call this I naught, we'll call this I2. Okay, what ends up coming through here is going to be half that. All right, we talked about that already. We are only, caring about half the components when we send it through the first polarizer, so that ends up being 3 watts per meter squared. And then for I2, all right, it's going to be I1, whatever that was, times cosine squared of 60 degrees. And when we do that, we end up with 0.75 watts per meter squared. So that is 1/8 of the original intensity right there, okay, of those transmissions. All right, so again, the rest of this I want you to read, okay, talking about cross polarizers. We'll do some examples in class. All right, the last piece there that I want you to read, along with all those examples of applications of polarization, all right, is what an optically active substance is. Okay, and optically active substances are substances that are going to naturally, on their own, okay, they rotate the plane of polarization. And how much this is rotated, all right, defines their optical activity. Or affects how much rotation there is. And how much rotation tells us how much lost intensity we have, okay? So every time we rotate the plane of polarization, you notice with Malice's law, there's always a loss of intensity with the rotation of plane of the polarization. All right? Wow, that did not come out well at all. You know what words are in there. Okay? So those are the big ideas that I want you to get from optically active substances. I want you to read the rest of that. Come prepared on Monday for the note quiz on this with at least having read those little passages. Have a good weekend, guys.